He's a cute little ducky.
Cute as it can be. Well, cute as it can be.
They're just so cute. I can like squish them. But anyways, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. You're so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. All of you are so cute. All right. So guys, what do you want to play? You're so cute. Oh, wait. They don't like me and they don't like the phone. Oh my goodness. They are just so adorable. Look at them. They're just so adorable. Oh, wait. I just want to show you. Lily, 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 lily.
Oh, you're so cute too.
Look, this is what it looks. See, and then Brock.
Lily,
Say something. Say something. Do you want to say meow?
oh Lily, don't eat the ducky. It's okay.
Oh, wait. Here's the Aloysius. Wait, let me show you the Aloysius. So cute. Hi, Aloysius.
Give paw. A paw. I need a paw.
You're so cute. Cats and duckies.
You're so cute. Yeah, you are just so cute.
Oh, she likes doing that. Wait, just go in to look outside. Okay. There's somebody coming.
Leaning out in space.
Hey.
Hi. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Oh no. Ducks. Oh, Lily's like chilling. Oh, tummy rub.
Oh, yeah, you love tummy rubs.
You really like them. Alright. Let's go.
Let's go see the duckies again.
It's just so. I just want to squish them. Look how cute they are. Oh, when it's kind of moving. Right. You're so cute. You are so cute. Hello, so cute.
Yeah, sorry. Bye. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe.
Sorry about that noise. Let's just look. I wasn't ready yet, but let's look outside. It's chilly outside.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
It's so chilly. Is that the ducks? Ah! Look outside. Benny! Hi, Benny. You can't come inside. Come on, Benny. Pet you. Benny. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. You can't go inside. I need to go inside for a second. Okay? Okay, Benny, what are you doing? Oh. He's like, I want to go to the door already. Benny. Okay. Benny is still out there. Like, where did she go? Oh. No. He's so cute. You're going to be on my YouTube channel. You're so cute. Bye, like, and... Oh, wait. Sorry. I just need to look at the ducks one more time. Just one more time and then... Oh, so cute. The ducks are so cute. Look at it. Like and subscribe. Bye.